Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's Thanksgiving recipe, we are going to be making a Desi-inspired sauteed carrots with cumin and turmeric. It takes no time at all, requires a few ingredients, perfect for Thanksgiving. So if you guys like Thanksgiving recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need to make this super simple side dish for Thanksgiving. So first off, I've got a couple tablespoons of coconut oil that I've already heated up. And to that, I'm just gonna add some cumin seeds. And you want these cumin seeds to kind of burst. You can see it in the oil. It's kind of just frying up. So I wanna get them nice and fragrant before I add in the carrots. All right, so these have been frying for a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrots. And I am just using baby carrots just to make it easier. I want these dishes to be super fast and super easy. So now I'm gonna fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll show you guys when it's ready. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my turmeric and salt at this point. And then because my oil is starting to dry up a little, I don't wanna add any more oil. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. And then you're just gonna cook this until it's nice and soft. All right, these look perfect, nice and roasted. Look at that color. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put some on a plate and test it out. Ooh, nice and soft. Still has shape to it, so that's good. You still want it to be nice and crunchy a little bit because you don't want mushy carrots. That cumin seed being roasted right in the beginning adds such a good Desi flavor to this entire dish. And that was the whole point of this, is kind of creating a side dish that has kind of a Desi twist to it. So this is perfect. The turmeric, the cumin makes it over the top. You guys have to try this out for your next Thanksgiving meal. If you guys like Thanksgiving recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. A Desi sauteed what did we say?